The National Highway 45 is a primary national highway in India. This highway runs in the state of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. The route of NH45 was extended from Jabalpur to Bilaspur in June 2016. Now, while you're traveling to Bandhavgarh or Amarkantak from Jabalpur, you'll be going through Kundam, Shehpura, Dindori district of Madhya Pradesh. And trust me, you'll love driving through NH45. Now, this is a short aerial view of NH45 captured with DJI MAVICAIR while we are coming back from Bandhavgarh. You can check my post on Jabalpur to Bandhavgarh road trip during Monsoon 2020 in Google Maps and Instagram and the YouTube video as well. If you have any queries, feel free to reach out anytime. I'll be happy to guide you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the New Age Traveller, the happy place for the travelers.